Hi, I'm Margie Kemper, and today I want to show you the quickest way possible to create a graphic in Canva's free editing software. So what I do is come over to Create a Design, and then I can choose a template that I want to use. I'll choose Facebook post for ease of use, but you could scroll down and choose anything from a Twitter post to a YouTube thumbnail to even a flyer or a poster. There's all kinds of templates in there. So the fastest way to create something is to use one of their existing templates. There are plenty to choose from. And I'll say for this one, I'm going to use, let's do this one. It's a special day, National Tell a Joke Day. May your day be filled with lots of puns and laughter. Okay, so I don't have anything to do with National Tell a Joke Day, so I'm going to put in the title of my class, Canva for Beginners. And then I'll change this to say, coming soon. And I'll take this out. Actually, I don't want that there at all. And I'll show you how you can add another line of text down here. So you can either duplicate what's there and then delete what you don't want. So see how I'm moving this around? I don't want the big Canva for beginners. I do want that coming soon line. So I just drag that down there, and now I can change it to my website. And it looks a little odd being that large. So I'm going to come up into the font sizing, and I'm going to make it quite a bit smaller, just so there's like a little bit of branding on there. Whoops. If you do something that you don't like on Canva, hit Command Z or come up to the top of your screen here. See these arrows, and that's an undo button. So I kind of like this. This doesn't really have anything to do with my brand, so I'm clicking on each of those images and getting rid of them. You could click something else if you wanted a different image in there. Let's come over to elements and shapes, and you can see all these things. I could put a star on there. Each image has these 4 circles on the corners, and you can increase or decrease the size of the icon by dragging those away. So let's say I want to just make this white to match the rest. And then if I want a bunch of them, I can just duplicate, and then I can move them all around. If I wanted some to go onto the blue, I could do the same thing. So let's say I'm going to duplicate this one, duplicate, and I'm going to click on it and make it the same, the same blue that we have there. And I might put that over here. And then I'll duplicate that. So you can do all kinds of things quickly and easily, pardon me. And if you want them to not look so cookie cutter straight, there's this little double rounded arrow indicator, and you can click on that and adjust them so they look a little bit more organic. So this is just a very quick and easy thing that you can do with Canva. I would not stop here personally, but for the purpose of the video being quick and easy, this is how you can use a template to create something to sell your own offers. Okay, well, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to drop a link below for you to try Canva Pro for 30 days. If you're interested in checking it out, that's the paid version of Canva. It comes with all of these basic free tools and also a lot of really nifty, fancier ones. And I'm also going to put in a link for my upcoming course, Canva for Beginners. Depending on when you're watching this, it will either be open for registration or there'll be a waiting list page. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please be sure to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. And thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have a great day.